2 in our 50 card challenge. Honestly, I'm feeling good. I also didn't realize how long 50 days is, but nonetheless, I'm feeling good. I did like a 45-minute recovery walk yesterday for my last day of week 1, and I'm really glad that I did because I feel very well rested and well recovered. So I'm ready to hit the ground running, and I just know today's class is going to be so freaking hard. But I am ready, especially being at my computer all day. I'm ready to just sweat it out and have someone just kick my butt. My little ponytail, I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Let's get our first workout in for week 2. Hello. I'm giving little lad right now. We need to control this hair. That's the one thing I was not warned about. Cutting my hair this short. I look like Lord Farquaad when it's not styled. I want to try out a new product with you guys. I got this in a PR package actually. It's from Good Hair Day and it's their Professional Performance 2-in-1 Hot Air Styler. Look how sleek she is. It's like a hair dryer and straightener in one. Okay, I am impressed. Looks like I just got back from the salon and got it styled. Look at that movement. I'm gonna finish off with my fave, this Kerastase Elixir. I'm obsessed. It's a yes for me. I want to do a little taste test with you because I always like to buy new snacks from Trader Joe's because they're just so good. These are the Volpe snacks, mozzarella and prosciutto sticks. So I feel like they'd be really good for snacks throughout the day. YouTube hand. I don't know what I was expecting it to taste like. It's literally mozzarella and prosciutto. So these are a yes for me. I'm gonna buy more of these. This is the brand. Very, very good. I just made a midday matcha. I'm trying out the Chamberlain coffee because they were so kind and gifted me a PR package that you saw earlier. And this is probably the closest I'll ever get to meeting Emma Chamberlain, but regardless, I've been wanting to try her matcha for so long. And so I was so stoked when they reached out and asked if I wanted a PR package. I was like, duh, like you don't even need to ask me. So they sent over a matcha, some green tea, and then their tote, their iconic tote, and I can't wait to wear it everywhere. But this is what the matcha looks like. Let's give it a try. This is the pick-me-up that I needed this afternoon. I'm gonna link it down below because this is so good. So, so good. Hi besties, just checking in. I just did a quick little makeup look, straightened my hair. I'm trying to be more presentable every day because being that I work from home, I feel like I'm always without makeup, my hair's all crazy. I just want to work on being more presentable even if I'm just gonna be staying at home. But anyways, I had a really good morning walk. I really needed like a rest day during the week because Tuesday took me out. That workout really took me out. I haven't done a weightlifting class in a really long time, plus the cardio, girl, I was down bad. It was leg focused, and then yesterday's Pilates was also leg focused. I was like, I cannot catch a break right now. So today I decided to do a little recovery 45-minute walk, and I'm so grateful that I did. I feel so much better already, and my muscles don't feel as fatigued. And just like some little things that have been really encouraging me during this challenge is that my clothes are like starting to fit either better or they're becoming too big. And it's crazy that I'm seeing like these pretty big changes, to me at least, during such a short time frame. I'm very encouraged right now. This Skims t-shirt, like this used to be tight. Like the fact that I have some extra fabric in the back right now is very encouraging. So we're doing good. Hang in there, girl. You got it. Quick little update. It's already 1 o'clock and I just got ready because I'm gonna meet with a local business here in Nevada to possibly do some content for them. This is what I'm wearing. It's just a very casual meeting fit. I feel like I wear the same thing in every single vlog, but Skims bodysuit, Revolve jeans, my Sambas, and this jacket is also from Revolve. I really like the wash of this. It's not like a true black. It's kind of like gray and green. And then my Anthropologie purse. I have my little Amazon silver earrings. But yeah, this is the outfit. Happy Saturday. I just changed into this outfit because my boyfriend and I are gonna check out a vintage market and maybe get some lunch or some dinner later. I just wanted to style these boots like officially because I'm actually leaving the house and I want to get pictures in this cute skirt and the boots. So I'm wearing the same bodysuit that I wore yesterday. We are outfit repeating a little bit. And then this leather jacket is thrifted, and then this vintage Coach purse is also thrifted. So update, we decided to get some Thai food for lunch because that flea market absolutely sucked. Very bad. From the jump we knew that we didn't want to stay there. So now we got some food. besties, we've officially made it to the end of week 2 of our 50 hard. Today was honestly a hard one. Like today truly felt like a Sunday. I did not want to work out and I did not want to do anything. I just wanted to rot in bed. But nonetheless, I woke up before 7, I journaled, I read, and I just reluctantly completed my workout. I did not want to work out, girl. Like the rest of the day, I'm just gonna rot in bed and play on my Nintendo Switch. I'm feeling very optimistic going into week 3. And I recently have had a lot of new faces here. So if you came from my week 1 video, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here and I'm so glad that we can go on this journey together. If you want to join, it's literally not too late. We can still hold each other accountable and we can still check in with each other every week. I wanted to share my journal entries for this day. I've been doing these like reflective journal entries at the end of every week of my 50 hard. That way we can kind of just reflect on the week of like what we loved and what we didn't love. So my first journal prompt is, what am I proud of from week 2 of 50 day hard? I was proud of waking up before 7 a.m. because the first week I messed up on that one day. And so I just didn't want that to happen again. So I'm very proud of myself for not slipping up again. I'm proud for not giving into my cravings. I made those peanut butter chocolate dates. They're the best things I've ever made for like a healthy dessert. So you need to try it and let me know how you like it. My last thing that I'm proud of is that I've been reading a lot more before bed. Reading before bed is really helping my sleep schedule. I've been sleeping by like 10 or 10:30. And usually I stay up till around midnight and it's really hard for me to wake up. At night, I just turn on my red light and I've been reading like 20-ish pages because my book is so good right now and it's been helping me fall asleep a lot earlier. My second journal prompt is, what can I do better this week? I want to cut down on my screen time and then I also want to schedule my workouts better. I was kind of late into booking classes like the night before and it gave me a lot of decision fatigue, which does not help this like whole challenge because the whole challenge is to be disciplined. And when I schedule my workouts way ahead of time, I avoid the probability of slipping up and like not making it to a class or doing like a not so good workout. I want to schedule my workout classes better, avoid that decision fatigue and stay on track and stay disciplined because motivation is only going to get me so far throughout this challenge. Like motivation comes and goes and I don't want to rely on that to get good workouts in. So this week we are scheduling all of our workouts to a T. And then my last journal prompt is, what drained my energy? So again, screen time and then also comparison. Like I can't help sometimes but compare myself. Like I'm online a lot, you know, creating and also consuming. And so I don't want to be comparing myself to other people and how they look like because we're all just so different and we don't need to do that. So I need to remind myself that if you need that reminder, take it. Like comparison is the thief of joy. We have no business comparing our lives to other people. So there's really no point and it just drains your energy. But yeah, that is my little Sunday reflection. And I'm so excited for week 3. And also like physically wise, I feel like I still kind of look the same. I didn't notice any crazy changes, but I'm glad that I kind of feel somewhat the same. I don't feel bloated from food, which is the one thing that I've noticed from this challenge. It's because I've been really emphasizing whole foods, not a lot of processed foods, way less sugar, and no fast food, and that has been game changing. Like I swear, once you go a few days without that stuff, your body just doesn't crave it. I don't crave that stuff nearly as much as I was before. So small wins and I'll take that over physical change any day. But yeah, that is me checking in with you guys. And again, if you want to join my 50 hard, I'd love to have an accountability buddy. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in week 3. Love you, bye.